am preparing for trial tomorrow. I'm holding in my hand a transcript I was reviewing with one of my clinical instructors. Jen, where are you? We both have trial tomorrow. As a matter of fact, yesterday, while the New England Patriots were getting their butts kicked, we were at our client's home preparing witnesses for trial. But as we were just also in my office preparing for trial, and then I got a text that says there's a rally. And I thought about it and I said, you know what, I have work to do. I have somebody who's facing jail time that I need to be focused on. And then it dawned on me, what is more important than now? What is more important than this moment? And so this is my pledge to you. For as long as I have clinical instructors who are underpaid compared to other clinical instructors in other law schools, I will stand in solidarity. For as long as we have an environment where someone thinks it's okay to send me the N-word as a subject matter in an email, I will stand in solidarity with you. For as long as we have staff members who are marginalized, not being recognized, not being appreciated, I will stand in solidarity with you. And for as long as we have student demands that have been in the asking for decades and still no answers are forthcoming, I stand in solidarity with you. I read an awesome article that was written by Professor Sullivan and Professor Robinson yesterday. And I encourage you to read it if you haven't done so. Just because there's some movement, just because there's incremental change, doesn't make everything okay. All right? Just because somebody goes from hitting you 10 times to now hitting you only 5 times, doesn't mean that they should not stop hitting you. It is time for this to stop. It is time for us to have substantive, systemic change. And for as long as I am breathing, I promise to be part of the movement for as long as I am here and breathing. I am so proud of each and every one of you. If you sat back and didn't do this, then who will? And for as long as that question is being asked, I will stand in solidarity with you. So keep up the good work. We will continue to do this for as long as it takes, for as many months or years as it takes. We are hoping it doesn't take years. But for as long as it takes, I will stand with this thing. I will stand under the sun, and I will stand with you. Thank you.